If you're considering Retell AI for your business, understanding its pricing and setup is key to saving money and getting the most value. In this video, we'll break down how Retell AI charges, what to expect during setup, and tips to make the process smooth and cost-efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech guides. Retell AI uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means you pay based on minutes of voice agent usage. Costs also vary depending on features like AI processing, telephony services, and add-ons for extra capabilities. This flexible pricing can be great if your call volume is moderate, but businesses with high usage should plan carefully to avoid unexpectedly high bills. The setup process involves a few key steps. First, you create your AI agent by providing scripts or prompts, training it on your business-specific information, and customizing its voice and tone to match your brand. Next, you connect it to your telephony system or online platforms, allowing the AI to make calls or handle chat interactions. Finally, you can test and fine-tune the agent to ensure it responds accurately and professionally in real-world conversations. While the setup is straightforward for tech-savvy users, beginners may need some guidance or tutorials to complete it efficiently. To save money, focus on optimizing your call workflows. Only activate the AI for tasks that truly need automation, like repetitive FAQs, lead qualification, or appointment scheduling. By carefully planning which interactions the AI handles, you can reduce costs while still benefiting from automation. Also, regularly reviewing analytics helps identify inefficiencies and adjust usage to maximize value. In short, Retell AI's pricing and setup are flexible but require careful planning. With the right approach, you can leverage AI voice agents to save time, reduce staff workload, and improve customer interactions without overspending. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on tech tools and voice automation. Thanks for watching.